So my today's extempore is going to be on Second Lieutenant Rama Raghobar Rane. He was the first living recipient of Paramvir Chakra in the 1947-48 war. And when I first read about his story, he didn't kill any terrorist, he didn't kill any enemy. He didn't capture any post, nor did he defend any post. When I read about him at first, I wondered, what was so great about him? Like, where's the greatness for his Paramvir Chakra? Why was he given this PVC? But then I read about his story in detail through a magazine, a cartoonish magazine, in SSB Allahabad. During my SSB there, I was sitting in the waiting room, and before my interview would start, I was just stressed and I just saw a magazine and I just picked it up as it had colorful pictures, I would say, and that's why I read it. And it gave a detailed life of Second Lieutenant Rama Raghobar Rane. How in his childhood he was in Scouts and thereafter he joined the Indian Army in Second World War II, the British Army, and he served in the Burma campaign against the Japanese. Thereafter, when India got its independence and Pakistan launched an attack in Jammu and Kashmir, so he was posted there to defend the country. Since he was in the Engineers Regiment, his main task there was to clear the roads to make a path for the infantry and the armored vehicles to move. And it might not sound a big deal, but at the time, India had just captured the Nowshera sector and it was heading towards relieving Rajouri from the Pakistani Lashkars who were creating a havoc by looting and killing the people there. And on their way from Nowshera to Rajouri, the Indian Army faced a lot of challenges. Number one, the roads were blocked by the pine trees. Pine trees are the native trees of Jammu and Kashmir, and they are very huge trees and they are quite dense. So the roads were blocked by those trees, and in those trees, in those obstacles created by the Lashkar, there were landmines for the infantry and for the tanks. So Second Lieutenant Rama Raghobar Rane was given the task to remove all those landmines and clear the road for the infantry and the armored vehicles movement. Otherwise, their offense or their war for the liberation of Rajouri would have taken a lot of time, which would have been disastrous for Indian Army. So there are instances when Second Lieutenant Rama Raghobar Rane for 7-8 hours was under the pine trees removing the landmines. He was under the constant mortar fires of the Pakistani army. He was under the constant fires of the Pakistani who were attacking, who were using MMGs, LMGs and their rifles from the other side, attacking and injuring the Rama Raghobar Rane and his team. But despite taking serious injuries, they worked for 7-8 hours without sleep. They cleared the road. There was one instance where they took the cover from the enemy fire under a tank, and by remaining under the tank, they were clearing the landmines. So this is a very big thing. They worked for 10, 12 hours, for 15 hours, for complete days without eating, without sleeping. Yes, it was their duty to clear the road, but it was not their duty to take the enemy's bullet. It was not their duty to do their task when they are under the enemy fire, but they still choose to do it. I think this is the great thing about Second Lieutenant Rama Raghobar Rane, for why he was given the Paramvir Chakra and why his team was praised. I think the greatness is in the fact that he played a very vital role in the liberation of Rajouri in the 1947 India-Pakistan War. And it was his sheer determination, his strength to not care about, to take the risk of his life and still do his task, to still do his job, and he did it well. Thank you.